Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is your animating text and object. Now animating text and object is in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, till now we have learned how to insert table in a PowerPoint, how to insert chart, how to change their type. Okay, now we are on lesson number 5, that is animating text and your objects in PowerPoint. Now slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information ideas presented on slide. A slideshow enforces the ideas, comments, solutions or suggestions presented in the slide. Now when we add animation in your text and object, then your presentation will become more attractive. Now tell me, what is the difference between slide and a presentation? Okay, so slide is just like a one page of your presentation, and presentation is a collection of slides. Now how to apply animation effects? The ability to move objects like your text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. in all directions of the slide is called animation. Means if your charts are moving, if your text is moving, okay, if you give any type of movement to your chart or your text or any other image, then it is your animation. We can animate text or objects in a presentation by applying sound effects or your visual effects, including movements. Now what is the main idea for your animation? Animation is very helpful when we wish to focus on important points. Then animation is very important. Audience will get attracted towards your animation. It also orders of the flow of information. To make specific changes to the movement of text and object, open Custom Animation Task pane. We have to open Custom Animation Task pane. Now how to open that? The first thing, the object which you want to animate. Select that object by clicking on it. The first thing, whatever you want to animate, select that object or your text. Then we have to click on this Animations tab. Then in Animation tab, this is Animation tab, you will find one Custom Animation. This is your Custom Animation button. Okay, so first you have to click on this Animation tab and then you have to click on this Animation, Custom Animation. Then this part is known as your Animation Task pane. This whole part is known as your Animation Task pane. So we have to emphasize on this area. See, here it is written Add Effect. we have to click on this drop down arrow and select the effect. Now, 4 types of effects are there. You can give animation effect at the time of entrance. Okay, and if you have given the entrance animation, that is indicated with your green color star. When we are going to give different effects, green color star means this effect is given at the time of entrance. Then emphasize, yellow color star is for your emphasize, means when you want to highlight something, then you are going to emphasize on that. And then red color star is your exit. Okay, and then your white color star is for your motion path. You can move your object according to your choice. So we have to remember 3 traffic light colors: green color, yellow color, red color. First, green color will come, so entrance will be having green color star. Then second is when your text is there, you want to highlight something, then you are going to select emphasize, that is your yellow color star. And when you want to give any effect at the time of exit, that is denoted by your red color. And if you want to give different path to your animation, then your white color star is there, that is your motion path. So how many types of effects in your animation? So 4 type of effect: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. Okay. Now choose the type of effect you want. Now different type of effects are in your entrance also, emphasize also, exit also. So whatever effect you are going to select, that effect will be applied to the particular text at the time of entrance. Okay. Now if the auto preview box is checked, okay, auto preview box is checked, PowerPoint automatically provides you with the preview of animation. See, when you apply animation, what happened? You have applied blind. Now blind is which type of animation? Yellow color star means it's a emphasize. Then on click, direction is your horizontal, speed is very fast, 5 types of speed is also there, and this animation is applied to your picture number 14. Okay. Now this is speed field. It has 5 options. Very slow, then very slow से थोड़ा सा fast, that is slow, then medium, then fast and very fast. Okay, we have started with very word and ends also with the very word. So first is your very slow, slow, medium, fast and very fast. So these are the 5 speeds of animation. Okay, and now we are going to apply one animation effect to a text to see the changes. So now we are going to apply animation to our text. Okay, suppose I am going to write here, this is my PowerPoint 2007. You can use it in any PowerPoint version. Introduction to animation and suppose I write here in MS PowerPoint. Okay, now this is my text. I want to apply animation to this text. To first step, I have to select that. Wherever I have to apply animation, select that. Okay, then we have to click on the animation tabs. Then click on custom animation. This custom animation task pane has opened. Now click on this add effect. Suppose I want to apply some animation at the time of entrance. So select this entrance and suppose I want blinds. So this is your preview. Okay. Now see here number 1 on click. What happened? Introduction to animation will be displayed with the green color, means it's your entrance type of animation. Okay. Second I am going to select same दूसरा animation grow and shrink. So this will be your grow and shrink. Okay. For emphasize. And suppose I want to apply some animation at the time of exit also. So select the exit and suppose the fly out. Okay, so 3 colors animation I have applied, and now I want to give any other animation in direction. So I will be selecting add effect, motion path, select any path or your new draw new path free from. Okay, suppose I want this animation should be, see, okay, so this is my wavy line and this will be followed by this. Okay, now if you have noticed, there are a numbers 1 2 3 4 types of animation is applied on these two your text. Okay, number is written also there 1 2 3. You can reorder that. Okay, suppose you want this should be on the number 1, so first this will be animated, then the next will be animated. Okay, now if you are going to play, so what happened? On click we will go to the slideshow from beginning. Now on click, so I'm going to click something. First animation will be there, then introduction to animation, then grow and shrink, and then fly out. So this will be your animation applied to your text. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको you have to apply all the animation. If you don't want emphasize, do not apply that. Okay, so it depends on which type of animation you want to apply. Okay, now suppose you want to apply animation to your objects. So how you can apply? Again I'm going to click on the home and then new slide. Suppose in new slide I'm going to take one title and content. Okay, again I'm going to write here animation animating object. Now suppose I want to insert something here. What I want to insert? Suppose I want to insert shapes. So I have inserted shapes, like I have inserted the one shape, then copy, this is my second shape, and now suppose I want to insert some, this is my third shape, and I want this shapes should be moved, animate. Okay, so how to apply animation? What I am going to do, so first I am going to select the first shape and I want some type of animation will be displayed. So on emphasizes or your like in motion path, Draw new custom path. Suppose I want this arrow should be going there. Okay, so if I play that will be going there in very slow motion, so it will be displayed in like this. Or if suppose I don't want that, then remove that. Suppose I want some other type of animation at the time of entrance, so I'm going to give, see, again I want to give some animation to this object at the time of entrance. Okay, this will be your second. And suppose afterwards I want to give entrance. Okay, so now let us see how it will be looking when you are going to play. This type of animation you can put it in your different types of, suppose life cycles are there. If you want to show the water cycle, if you want to show butter cycle, life cycle, okay, so you can apply this type of animations to the arrow. Okay, now what you have to do, your turn is, you have to draw one presentation which will be showing life cycle of mosquito. You have to download different images and use the arrows and animate that. So life cycle of your mosquitoes. Make your PPT and share with me on my personal number. Goodbye for now. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay at home.